want to know how to put text behind a person. Copy and paste the video above the text. Select auto removal. Now wait. Now for the free version, select custom removal. Select your character by painting over it using the brush. Now wait.